Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Lock Junkie here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today in the vise I have a Wasupu Dimple Deadbolt. I don't have the deadbolt attached, so it's just the actual locking mechanism here, just for something new and different to pick. Got this off of Amazon. Excuse me. So we're going to use a 50 thou Z-bar from Covert Instruments as a turning tool, and then I'm going to use this beautiful custom dimple flag from Nigby. All right. Click out of 2, click out of 3, click out of 4. Oh, sorry, that was 5. Ooh, click out of 3 and that opens it up. Pretty basic lock there. Super fun little comfort lock, I guess, for a dimple lock. Just wanted to share that with you guys. That's all I got for today. If you like that, do me a favor, like, subscribe, share, comment. Till next time, catch you later. Thank you.